The next cable is a 4-stitch right cable. It's worked very similar to the one we just did that was a 3-stitch cable, but this one just has 4 stitches. And if you can see the last one we did here, it leans to the right. I need to take the 4th stitch on the left-hand needle and move it in front of the first 3 stitches. We're going to use the same technique that we used for the 3-stitch cable. We'll take the tip of the right hand needle, insert it into that 4th stitch, pinch the first 3 stitches, and slide all 4 of them off the needle. And then take the left hand needle, slide them back through those 3 stitches. You can see here I've just separated that stitch, and I'm going to pull it to the front and put it back on the left hand needle. Now it's the first stitch on the needle, and we're going to knit those 4 stitches. And we've just made a 4-stitch right leaning cable. We can also make a left leaning cable. It's the same thing, just a bit opposite. In order to do the left cable, we need to move this first stitch. We'll bring it to the front and move it past the next 3 stitches. To do that, we're going to insert the tip of the right hand needle through the back of the 3 stitches, the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th stitch. See here, we skipped the first stitch and inserted the right hand needle through the back of those 2nd, 3rd, and 4th stitches. We're going to pinch that first stitch just so it doesn't unravel. We're going to slip out the left hand needle, and we're going to insert the left hand needle through that stitch that was hanging out there, and then put these 3 stitches back onto the left hand needle and knit those stitches. We'll knit the 4 stitches since this was a 4-stitch cable. And there you have the 4-stitch left cable.